Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Google Slides more interactive. Welcome back to Google Tutorials, where we give you the best tips and tricks to grow your confidence online. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that you're the first to get notified every time we launch a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you a great feature which you should be using in all of your slides and presentations to make them more interactive. This feature is live comments. This means that people who don't have access to the slides can give comments, feedback and more through this code, and I'm going to run through it now. To do this, all you need to do is go up to the top right of your Chrome tab by where it says Present, and you'll see this little button here right next to it, which has the arrow pointing down. If you click or tap onto it, it will give you a few different options, including Presenter View, Present from Beginning, and Present on another screen. I'm going to go for Presenter View. Now what we need to do is go up to the top navigation bar where it says Speaker Notes, and we want to click on the option where it says Audience Tools. Then it will open Audience Q&A. To start, all you need to do is click on Start New at the bottom, and then it will turn to this. On the blue banner it will say Accepting Questions On, and then it will give you a code. This code is what people will enter to be able to show your comments and questions, and you can turn the access on or off by toggling this switch. But how do people access this? All you need to do is click or tap onto it, and this banner at the top will show up saying Ask a Question at, and then the link. This code can be shared on platforms such as Google Slides, through emails, or just by showing them on the screen. I'm going to now demo this. So this is what it will look like from the viewer's perspective. This page will open up and they can ask a question or type in their opinion. Then underneath that, you can either ask it as yourself, or you can ask anonymously. Then when you're ready, all you need to do is click the blue Submit button. And then all of the questions will be linked below that. And the great thing is people can upvote this or downvote it depending on the various different things. Think of this as the equivalent to an updated version of a forum. And then the question also shows up for the presenter. So the presenter can see all of the questions, how many upvotes, downvotes, etc., who it's by, what time, and much more. And here's another great feature. You don't have to copy and paste the snipping tool, whatever, to show this. All you need to do is click on the Present button at the bottom, and it will show on the slide. And it will show on the slide like so. It will show the comment, who said it, and it will still show the banner at the top. This is brilliant for if you're doing class sessions, conference calls, screen recordings, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe as we've got a ton more content just like this.